Here in my crowded little workshop to play with my toys at night. Wonderful Tennessee weather, cannot play outside. It's raining and cold, all that good stuff. You can see it's more than a little crowded. This is one of my favorite toys. My Maytag gas-powered washing machine, 72 powered, 1940-ish Wyco mag that I picked up for $35. When I bought it, it was damaged somewhere for some time, long time ago. Somebody had dropped it and destroyed the fuel tank. It would not hold fuel, so I scavenged another tank from another parts engine and replaced the plug wires, cleaned the points, and it started up almost instantly. I mean, it's a good little engine. I have not run this since the summer though, but we are going to try to start it and see what happens. And she started. The rough. Open it up. It could use a good cleaning, but maybe fill it with some water. Okay, with some dryer. You can see it, she's raring to go. Just put her in gear, and there she goes. Like I said, there's not much room in here. It's full of junk. Now, the ringer. I can only run this a couple minutes. I am using Coleman fuel, but it still gets a little hairy in here. Reverse for the ringer. Okay. Back to neutral. Shut her down, just open it up, half turn or so, till it stops. Close it back, it'll save you a lot of trouble if you don't, as long as you do it that way. And that's it. One of my mini toys. You can see this place is absolutely full of them. Maytag parts, Maytag engines, everywhere, car parts. Thanks for watching.